plains, heavy snow in the mountains. A very strong winter storm will move across
The
Colorado
station's on
tonight
backup.
and into
Hear that
western
beat?
Kansas by Tuesday afternoon. The storm will produce heavy snow in the mountains and then snow, and very strong winds on the plains. Blizzard conditions will develop over a majority of the plains tonight, with the worst conditions roughly along and south of Interstate 76 tonight. Conditions will deteriorate along the Front Range Interstate 25 corridor through this evening, with blizzard conditions developing as winds strengthen. The blizzard will spread east across the plains through late evening. Slow improvement from west to east will occur during the day Tuesday. The worst conditions are expected to occur from the southern and eastern sections of the Denver metro area east towards Lyman and Akron. In these areas, road closures are likely due to whiteout conditions and drifting of heavy snow. Some places will receive well over a foot of snow along with wind gusts to around 55 miles per hour. In areas north of Interstate 76, snowfall will be lighter, but strong northerly winds will still likely produce extensive blowing and drifting